Hi, friends. It's Miss Thomas, your favorite pre-kindergarten teacher. I hope you have been having a great morning, a great day, a great afternoon, whatever it is that has been making you smile. Well, I'm back with you today for another pre-kindergarten math lesson. Are you ready to get started? I am. I have some fun and exciting things that we're going to do today together. But you know what we have to do, right, friends? We have to start off with our objectives. I have to let you know what we're going to be doing. Okay, friends, so let's look at our math objectives. We are going to be focusing on measurement skills today. We are going to compare the heights and the lengths of people or objects. Well, in this lesson today, we're going to be comparing a lot of objects. So you may be asking, Miss Thomas, what is height? What is length? Well, height is how tall something is or how short something is. And length is how long something is or how short or small something is. So we are going to be looking at a lot of objects today and we're going to compare them. Compare them means we're going to be looking at them and checking to see if it's taller or if it's shorter. If the object is longer or if the object is shorter or smaller. But first, we're going to start off with a fun read aloud. This book is called The Best Bug Parade. And what we're looking at right now, we're looking at the front cover of the book. Awesome. If I flip it over, it's the back cover of the book. And then the part that holds the book together is called the spine. So are you ready to jump on in the Best Bug Parade? It's going to be talking about comparing sizes. If it's long, if it's short, if it's tall, if it's small. All right, let's get started with the Best Bug Parade. He says, I am big. Looking at him right now, he doesn't like he's big. Okay, let's see what the next it says. Then here comes the next bug. He says, I am bigger than you. It looks like it, right? There he is. He says, I'm big. I am bigger, which means is he long? Is he longer? And he says, I am the biggest bug by far. Oh my goodness, do you see how big he is? Yes. So let's look right here on this page. It says big, bigger, biggest. So you can either say tall, taller, or tallest. But this book, he's saying he's big, bigger, or biggest. So you still can compare the sizes of the bug. And then he goes, oh, that's good. Look at the bugs. Look at the sizes of the bugs. Let's see what else we got going on in the book. He says, I am small. Yeah, he's small. Then here comes the next bug. He says, I am smaller than you. Well, that's true. He's small. He is smaller. Let's see what else we got. I see a bug peeking out. He says, I am the smallest bug of all. So remember, he says, I'm small, I'm smaller, I'm the smallest. You're right. So look on this page right here, friend. We got small, smaller, smallest. We are comparing sizes. Is it tall? Is it short? That's what they're seem to be talking about. Small, smallest, smaller. Then he goes, that's better. That is better. Let's see what else the book is comparing. Oh, wow. It seems like it's going to be comparing length now. It says, I am long. Yeah, he says he's long. Look at the next bug. He says, I am longer than you. Is that true? Yes, he says, I'm long. I'm longer than you. But look over in the grass. There's another bug coming out. Do you think that bug is going to be the longest? You see your thinking face. Well, let's turn the page and find out. Wow, he says, but I am the longest bug in view. Oh my goodness, he is. Remember the first bug said, I'm long. He is. I'm longer than you. And then here comes the next bug. But I am the longest bug in view. So let's look how we're comparing on this page right here. Long, longer, longest. So that's what we're talking about, length. Remember in the very beginning, length is how long something is. That's what these bugs are talking about. Length, how long. Remember now he said it was good, it's better. Wow, he says it's the best. Look at the bug parade so far. It's winding around. I like this book so far. It's comparing sizes. How tall, how long something is. Well, in that case, the something is the bugs. See, do we have some more comparison? I think we do. He says, I am short. Then this guy right here says, I am shorter than you. Is that true by looking at the pictures of the bug? He says, I'm short, but I'm shorter than you. Do you see the bugs on the next page that may be even shorter? Let's turn the page and find out. Oh, wow. There he is. He says, I am the shortest bug of the sort. Wow, I like that. Look on this page right here, friends. Short, shorter, the shortest. All that means is that he's not that tall. So we got short, shortest, shortest. Yes. So far, this book has been the best bug parade so far. Look, it says, look at the bug parade. Good, better, best. I like this book because it goes to show all the bugs are in different sizes. Some are big, some are medium size, some are little, some are long. That's a pretty cool book. It is comparing how long, how tall, how short. Then it says, when we are all together, long and short, big and small, we are not just good or better. We are the best bug parade of all. Wow, so this book was comparing sizes of the bugs. So it was saying, doesn't matter how long, doesn't matter how short, doesn't matter how big, doesn't matter how small, they are the best bug parade of all. I like to think so. Very nice. Well, that closes up our book. Well, are you ready to jump into some more comparing sizes? You are? Awesome. Well, give me 2 thumbs up when you are ready. Okay, let's put our book down over here. We're going to put our objectives down because we are comparing sizes. We're going to pull up our big chart, our big stand, so we can compare sizes. Are you ready? I'm ready. So here's my first card. My first card is going to be comparing paint sizes or paint can sizes. Do you see the sizes of my paint can? And we're going to be measuring how tall, how short these paint containers are. What Miss Thomas is going to do is I'm going to put it up on our wall here. Going to put it on our little stand. And we are going to use some non-standard things non-standard items to measure, which means we're going to find some of the things in the classroom. We're going to find some things at your home. So what I found was, friend, I found some of these little bitty cubes in the bag because they want us to say how tall or how long or how many cubes tall the items are. Our items are little paint cans. So we're going to get the sticky. We're going to measure this first one right here to see how many cubes tall. Here's the little cubes. How many cubes tall are all of our little paints? So we're going to stick it right there. Let Miss Thomas make sure I secure it very good to make sure it does not fall down. I want to make sure that you guys are getting a very good look at it. Okay? Let's see. So far I got one little cube, two little cubes. You see the cubes? And then I have three little cubes. Look at that. So this little paint can, let's count them together, is 1, 2, 3. 3 cubes tall. Wow. Did you know that you can use anything to measure how tall something is or how short something is? Let's go to the next paint can. Let's see how many cubes, little bitty squares, tall is the next paint can. So far I put 1 down, 2, good. Make sure you're counting with me. I like to count. Last time we were together, we were doing lots of counting, which is amazing and awesome. Did you count it so far? So far I have 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, I got to keep going. It's even taller. 3. What comes after 3? 4. Keep going, Miss Thomas. What's next? 4. We have 5. Keep going. We have 6. All right, I think we're going to get one more to see how tall the middle paint can is. Are you ready to count with me? You are? All right, let's count them. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 7 cubes tall. 7 cubes tall. Yes, indeed. So let's write that down. We said 7. This one was 3 cubes tall. That's how we call it number 3. How we write it number 3. And this one was how many cubes tall? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's how the number 7 looks. All right, are we ready to measure some more? How tall the tallest paint can is? Yes. All right, we're going to put some cubes down. There's the first cube. 1. Thank you for counting with me. 2. Keep going. 3. What's next? 4. Do you think it's going to be taller than the number 7? Get your thinking face on. 5. Keep going, friends. 6. Whoa. 7. Wow, it's getting taller than the other one. It's like it's growing. 7, 8. Yes, keep growing. 9. 10. Whoa, Miss Thomas. 10. The last one, 10. 11. Whoa! 11 little bitty cubes tall? If you don't believe me, what can we always do? We can count. All right, let's count. If I touch it, you count it. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Remember, 11, last time we was together, 11 is a 2-digit number. So I'm going to write 11 down. So look at our fun little paint boxes. Miss Thomas is going to pull it down so you guys can see a better look at it. Look how cool that is. Look how we measured. How tall, how small, and we even put the cubes on there together. We did it. So we just measured how tall something is, if it's medium size, or if it's small size. We did the paint cans. Are you ready to do another one together? You are? So am I. So let's put this one back here. All right, let's erase. All right, let's see what next we have that we are going to compare the sizes. We're going to do some glue bottles. Good thinking. I like that answer. I'm so glad you know what that is. We're going to compare some glue size bottles. Look at the glue size. And we are going to use little blue counters to compare the sizes. So let's get it nice and tucked up here on our chart. On our chart stand to make sure that we can see it together. You friends can see it at home. All right, you see our glue sizes? We're using different items to measure how tall. All right, we have our blue little chips here, or our blue coins. This is how they look. Yes, our blue coins, our little blue chips. So we're going to put them right here in these little nice boxes. So let's see what the first one is. It looks like only one can fit in there. Wow. So how tall is this little glue bottle? Only one blue chip tall. Oh, I like that. So we're going to write the number 1 down because there's only one blue chip tall. Let's see how tall this glue bottle is. Let's put our blue chips on there. Make sure you're counting with me. 1. You got it? 2. We're stacking them right on top of each other. 2. What comes after 2, friends? 3. Oh my goodness, yes, 3. Let's touch and count them together. You ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. So 3 little blue chips tall. The blue little circle. So that's our number 3. So our first glue bottle was 1 chip tall. Our second glue bottle was 3 chips tall. You guys are so smart. How many chips do you think the tall glue bottle is? This is my thinking face. If this one is 3, do you think it's more than 3? More than 3? Or do you think it's less than 3? Well, the only way we can find out is we have to check our answer. All right, let's count the blue chips. There's our first blue chip. 1. Don't forget to count. 2. You ready? What comes after 2? 3. Keep going, friends. 4. We still have a little bit more room. 4. 5 blue chips tall. Oh my goodness gracious. 5 blue chips tall. Let Miss Thomas write the number 5 for you. Goodness gracious. You know, if we mess up, we just write it over. 5 blue chips tall. So here's my question, friends at home. Which glue bottle is the tallest? Is it the first glue bottle? Is it the second glue bottle? Or is it the third glue bottle? Yes, you got it right. It's the third glue bottle. All right, let Miss Thomas take it down. And let's put it in really close so I can show you. Look how you help Miss Thomas out. Look how the different sizes of the glue bottle and how tall each glue bottle is. We did some counting in there. We're doing some measuring. Do you remember what we're measuring? We're measuring length. How tall something is, that's height, or how short something is. And length is how long something is, or how short or small. Our glue bottles right here, we're talking about height. how tall something is. And the same thing with our paint bottles. Our paint bottles, they were talking about height, how tall something is. Now, since we talked about how tall something is, how tall, let's talk about something about how long something is. Oh my gosh, you guys are so smart and so ready to go. Okay, here's my next little card. What do you think those objects are? Yes, those objects are pencils. Those objects are pencils. So the pencils, do the pencils look like they are tall, they're going all the way up? Or do the pencils look like they are long, they're going the long way? That's a good question. You think they're going the long way? You know what? I agree with you. Okay, let's put our card up here and let's do some measurements. Let's do some comparing. Let's put our cards up. Put our cards with our pencils. Are you ready to go? You are? Give me a woohoo! Yes, we are ready to go. All right, let's erase our numbers down at the bottom because we don't need those numbers now. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to use a different tool to measure. We're going to use some little snap cubes because they snap apart and then you can put them together. So I'm going to snap them back together, which is going to make it easy for us to measure how long, how tall. Okay, let's go with our pencil at the top. How long, or how many cubes long do you think our pencil at the top is going to be? Let's see. I'm going to stick it right up there. Let's see. I think it's going to be 2 cubes. Let's snap them together. You think it's going to be 2 cubes long? Oh my goodness, I think you are right. I like your thinking. I like your thinking. Let's put them up here and see. Oh, wow. You were right. You're like 2 cubes long, Miss Thomas. It's the shorter pencil. All right, what about you think the next size pencil? So if this one is 2, do we need to add some more cubes onto it? I think we do, Miss Thomas. So let's put our cubes together. They snap. So we're going to snap our cubes together. Oh, there we go. We snapped them together. And we're going to put them on our board. Wow, look at that. We're going to count those. Do you want to count them? I do. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 cubes long. So let's write it over here on the side. This pencil cube was how long? You told me it was 2. Let's count it. 1, 2. All right, it was 2 cubes long. Okay, what about these little snap cubes, this pencil? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3. Here's our number 3. We got to put some counting in there. So let's look at our last pencil. Look how long he is. All right. Do you think it's going to take all our cubes? Let's see. If I stick it, I'm just going to stick it up there, but it looks like we need to put some more on there. Right now I have, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now, look like I have 4 cubes long. Okay, I'm going to grab a couple of more. A couple of more means I'm going to grab 2 more little snap cubes. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to snap it in place. Like, so if you're at school, if you're at home, and you have some fun cubes that you can measure with, let's measure. Uh-oh, that one fell, so we're going to pick it back up. We're going to snap it on there. We're going to get something to help stick it on. You ready? Let's get something to stick it on it, then we're going to be able to count it. Let's see how long, because we're talking about length, how long our pencils are. Are you ready to count with me? You are? Well, let's count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6 snap cubes long. So we have to write the number so we can see it. 6 snap cubes long. All right, let's take it off the board. And let's get a closer look at what you measured. How long? Look at the pencils. You did a great job with the pencils. You did a great job at measuring how long the pencils are. Would you like to do one more? You do? I would like to do one more. So this is how long. This is length, friends. Length is what? How long something is. And we found out how long the pencils are. Okay, let's put our pencils back here in the back. Let's see what Miss Thomas has for you now. What does those look like to you? They look like crayons. Yes, they are crayons or colors. What color do you think those crayons are? Green? If you said green, give yourself a thumbs up. All right, let's put it on our board. Let's see if we can measure how long the crayons are. All right, let's erase our answers over here because we're going to do some new answers. Now, we are going to measure with a different tool to measure with. We're going to measure with some little links. You see our little links? We're going to measure with some links. So let's see how many links long is the first one. It's the first crayon. Are you ready? Let's link them together. Let's link it together. Gonna put a little sticky on there so they can stick. Do you see it up there at the top? You do? I do too. How cool is that? I like it. So let's see. And we got to make sure that they're touching side by side. How many did you see me put on there so far? I see 2. Yes. 1, 2. All right, let's write the number 2. There you go. All right, let's measure the next crayon. All right, let's get them on there. Got it? 1. Make sure we're counting. 2. Make sure we're counting. You make sure you counting because I'm counting. 3. Oh my goodness. Let's count the links again. 1, 2, 3. What was that number you counted, friends? You counted 3. That's how a 3 looks. Great. All right, let's do the last one because we don't want to run out of time. But if we do, guess what? We can always come back to this one the next time I see you. Yes, are you counting? Because I'm putting them up there. I'm counting. Okay, let's see. I'm counting. So far I've said 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh my goodness. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many links long is the longest crayon? 4. Oh my goodness. Let's take it off and show you up really close to it. You did a great job at comparing the sizes. How long or how short or tall something is. You did a great job. Oh my goodness, friends. We're almost out of time. We're going to continue this lesson the next time I see you. So we are going to still be talking about how long something is or how tall something is. As you can see with the crayons, you did a great job. Until then, friends, keep on counting. Find things to measure in your house of how tall something is or how long something is, like your crayons and like pencils. Bye, friends.